Hi there and welcome to this 2-minute tip video. This is a really simple and quick one. This is the clean image sensor functionality. Those of you with mirrorless cameras like the Z series from Nikon will know that there are many benefits, but one of the downsides is that the sensor has a tendency to get dirty much quicker than the traditional DSLR. It's partly because the lens mount is bigger, the sensor is closer to the lens mount, but the main thing is there's no mirror in front of the sensor to shield it from the elements. So when you're changing lenses, there's a very high chance you're going to get a speck of dust or dirt gets in there, and it may well attach itself to the sensor. Luckily, Nikon, as with most mirrorless cameras on the market, have built in some functionality to clean the image sensor. And if you go to the setup menu and you scroll down to the second page, near the bottom is an option called Clean Image Sensor. In here, if you go into the option, you'll see that you've got the option to clean the sensor now. And what you do is you put the camera down on its base and you activate that by pressing now, and the camera will oscillate the image sensor to try and dislodge any dust. Sometimes you may have to do it more than once, but don't do it too many times, because after a small number of uses in a short period of time, the camera will probably grey that option out just to protect the camera componentry. It will come back after a short period of time, but it's just there to stop you continually pushing it if you've got a piece of dust on the sensor. If you then scroll down one option, you've got auto cleaning, and if you go into there, you've got the option to have the camera clean the sensor every time you turn the camera off. And this is what I have mine set to, because then it's almost continual maintenance, preventative maintenance, that when you've been using the camera, when you turn it off, the camera quickly vibrates the sensor and knocks any residual dust off of it. Or the other option is to have it turned off. So I hope this has been useful. Let us know in the comments below how you're keeping your sensor clean. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are, hit subscribe and hit the notification bell below, and I look forward to seeing you in a future video.